Hi everyone. Today, let's talk about the difference between formal and informal English. Knowing when to use each one is super important. Perfect. Informal is used with friends or people you know well. Formal is for work, interviews, or serious situations. Informal formal. What's up? How are you? Going to want to thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Sorry, my bad, I apologize.
Formal and informal key differences. Tone. Formal, polite, professional, and structured. Informal, friendly, casual, and conversational. Vocabulary. Formal, uses sophisticated words and avoids contractions or slang. Informal, includes everyday language, contractions, and slang. Engagement. Both formal and informal styles engage the audience but in different ways. Formal tends to appeal to a more professional audience, while informal is relatable and casual for a broad audience. It's going well, thanks. How about you? Did you do anything exciting over the weekend? Yes. I went hiking with friends. How about you? What do you do for work? I'm an accountant. What about you? Have you seen any good movies lately? Yes, I watched The Incredibles. It was really fun. Do you like reading? Yes, I love reading mystery novels. How about you? How's the weather today? It's sunny and warm. Perfect for a walk. What's your favorite type of food? I love Italian food. Pizza is my favorite. Have you been to this cafe before? Yes, I come here often. Their coffee is amazing. Do you have any hobbies? Yes, I like painting in my free time. What about you? Are you into sports? I enjoy playing basketball. How about you?